Hi friends, this is Sandi Nagel for Graphic 45, and today I'm sharing an easy die cut layering technique that you can do using your gears die and papers from Graphic 45. I decided on a monochromatic card, so I'll be using one of the black and gray papers from the Kaleidoscope 12 by 12 patterns and solids. Then I'm going to die cut 4 pieces using the Graphic 45 gears die. When using intricate dies, we tend to lose some of the weight of our paper. So for good measure, we want to double up our die cuts and glue one piece right over the other. By doubling up on your intricate die cuts, you add strength to those pieces. So now that we have our pieces glued, we end up with 2 thick die cut pieces. I'm using a gray card base that measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And my first layer will be the Flamboyant Odyssey from the 8 by 8 Kaleidoscope paper pad. I then trim this piece to 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. Next, I trim a plain white piece of cardstock to 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. And with some double-sided tape, we're ready to adhere the white piece over our Graphic 45 piece. And once that's done, we use double-sided tape once more to adhere our Graphic 45 piece to the card base. And now we can adhere the first die cut layer to our monochromatic card with some wet adhesive. And for the second die cut layer, we're going to use some black foam squares. Now, you may have to cut your foam squares in half, like I've done here, to thin them out. Once you have your foam squares in place, you will then layer your die cut piece right on top of the other. I just love this die cut layering technique. Okay, at this point you see me adding a sentiment with a sentiment die cut from my stash, and I layer that as well using some foam squares. And for the inside of my card, I use an Ephemera card from the Graphic 45 Kaleidoscope collection. I hope that you found this die cut layering technique tutorial helpful and enjoyable. Be sure to visit Graphic 45 at g45papers.com for your supplies. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. Click on the bell notification button so that you can be up to date with Graphic 45 tutorials and new releases. Thank you so very much for watching, and happy paper crafting! This has been Sandi Nagel for Graphic 45.